Today we're going to talk about sweet pickled peppers, something you'll often find in my fridge. These add a lot of color to salads and wraps as well as the flavor. You just need bell peppers and water, vinegar, salt, and a little bit of sweetener. They could not be easier. And I think if you try these, you're absolutely going to love them. Please go ahead now if you would and click subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. The ratios in the process couldn't be simpler. We're just going to take a cup of vinegar, take a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sweetener. I'm electing to use Splenda, and a teaspoon of salt. Let's bring this to a boil now. Let it continue on high heat for about 2 minutes, and then kill the heat and let it sit for 10 minutes. Now that we've let it sit for 10 minutes, it's cool enough to transfer it into the container where we're going to let it sit in the fridge for 4 to 6 hours and chill completely. I really hope you try sweet pickled peppers, and I'd be really interested in new ideas and new applications. Please come back and leave some comments. And if you will, please go ahead and click like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on future videos.